Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to connect MyFitnessPal to Garmin. First, open the Garmin Connect app on your phone. Look for the More menu, typically located in the bottom right corner of your screen. From there, you'll want to tap on Settings to access your preferences. This initial step gets us ready to link your accounts for seamless data sharing. Once in Settings, find the section for third-party apps or connected apps. This is where you manage integrations with other services. Scroll through the list until you see MyFitnessPal. Select it, and then simply follow the on-screen instructions to grant permission. This authorization allows your data to flow between both platforms.
Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more tips. Quick recommendation. Life's too short for a stinky car, so grab a Little Trees Black Ice Air Freshener. It's a game changer for keeping your ride fresh. You can find the link and other deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video.
You'll be prompted to log into your MyFitnessPal account to complete the link. Make sure to review and confirm the data sharing permissions carefully. This ensures that information like your calorie intake and activity levels can be exchanged. After confirming, open both apps to verify that your data is now syncing correctly. It should be a smooth process. If you encounter any issues, first ensure both your Garmin Connect and MyFitnessPal apps are fully updated. Outdated versions can sometimes cause connectivity problems. If data still isn't syncing, try disconnecting and then reconnecting the accounts. Also, double-check your phone's privacy settings to confirm both apps have the necessary permissions to share data. These steps often resolve common glitches.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.